25, 2004. We've got a couple more games taking place today. You can catch them on the BBC as well. Initially at Lisbon, we have, Porto, we have Greece versus Spain. Later on in Lisbon, Russia versus Portugal. And the weather is behaving itself fine and dry yet again. Temperatures comfortably up into the mid-20s, and the weather's been behaving itself back home recently, of course, hasn't it? And across southern areas, it's virtually clear of cloud. Once more, plenty more sunshine on offer. A beautiful scene outside in Birmingham, and that's the way it should stay across many southern parts of the country through this afternoon. Bit of sea mist lapping onto the coast of Cornwall and West Wales, but that is the exception. Most of us fine, sunny, and very warm. But tomorrow, you will notice a difference. Much, much cooler. Temperatures struggling to get out of the teens. For Ascot, well, lovely today, but you'll notice that cooling trend through Thursday and Friday. Bit of a breeze as well, maybe the odd shower as well by Friday. The wind's going to change direction, coming down from the north, and as every geography student knows, that's never a warm direction, and it's bringing some outbreaks of rain to the north of Scotland right now. Thoroughly wet scene across Aberdeen, just 10 degrees. It's going to stay pretty dull and damp across many northern parts of Scotland through the rest of the afternoon, but I hope things should cheer up across the more southeastern parts, and so too Northern Ireland. Some sunshine here for a time, but the best of the sunshine will remain across England and Wales. Temperatures very warm, as you can see, in the south, and not too bad further north, except under those cloudy, wet skies in the north. 12 or 13 for the north of Scotland. This evening, slow changes. We'll see some showery outbreaks getting into Northern Ireland, some other western parts of Scotland. Drifting down to the more southern parts of the UK, again some heavy ones. Further north, mostly dry. Wimbledon does start next week, and that's a cue for the rain to arrive. Back to you, Anna.
Thanks, John. At 1:30, a reminder of our top story.
Growing water levels are beginning to cause a little bit of concern in one or two spots, but as it is the British Isles, other places are seeing more than their fair share, and that is the case just at the moment across the southern parts of Scotland, the north of England, where the cloud really gathered this morning, and there's been some really quite heavy downpours there. And then following on behind, as that band of weather gradually sinks its way a little bit further southeast, you see quite a speckling of showers there across Scotland, through Northern Ireland, and increasingly this afternoon across the north of England as well. And if you happen to be travelling in any of those locations, well, just watch out. There'll be quite a bit of surface water and spray around.